Hello and welcome back to Story Time. Today's story is about a lord who's kind and bright and always do whatever is right. Can you guess who is it? It's a hero and a kind-hearted prince. And if you like heroes, clap your hands together because today we are going to read about Ram. Let's get started. Ramji is the seventh avatar of Lord Vishnu. Ram is the husband of Sita, who is the incarnation of Goddess Lakshmi. Ramji was born in Ayodhya. He was the son of King Dasharatha and Queen Kaushalya. Ram broke the powerful bow and Lord Shiva when he tried to string it. And after this only he got married to Sita Mata. Ramji accepted 14 years of exile to honor his father's promise. So we call Ram as Maryada Purushottam. We call Ram as Ramji broke the powerful bow of Lord Shiva when he tried to string it, and only after that he got married to Sita Mata. Ramji accepted 14 years of exile to honor his father's promise. So there's a backstory. One of the mothers of Ramji had a promise from Dasharath ji, and in order to fulfill that promise, Dasharath ji, Ram's father, had to let go for of his son for 14 years. So we'll discuss about that story in some other story. Hanumanji is the supreme devotee of Rama, and Rama loved him immensely. We celebrate Diwali when Ram returned to Ayodhya after completing the 14 years of exile. So we love Diwali, right? We decorate our houses, we prepare rangoli, we have good sweets, and we burn a lot of crackers because it is said that when Ramji went back to Ayodhya after 14 years, the whole Ayodhya was decorated with diyas and lights and what not. It was so beautiful. So we believe that on the day of Diwali, Ramji is actually coming to our houses and we decorate our houses. That is why we make it so beautiful and grand. Ayodhya was a powerful and prosperous kingdom under Ram's rule. The golden phase is known as Ram Rajya. So Ramji was a very honest man. It is said that Vachan Jai. So we know रघुकुल रीत सदा चले आए प्राण जाए पर वचन न जाए. So अपने पापा के वचन को फुलफिल करने के लिए उन्होंने 14 इयर्स तक हंसते हुए एक फॉरेस्ट में बहुत ही मुश्किल कठिन जिंदगी बिताई. एंड ही वाज सच अ राइटियस मैन. he was an amazing personality. He was, in a true sense, he was a hero, and we all look up to him. And if we become even 1% of what Ramji was and is actually, so we'll be great. Ramji killed the powerful demon Ramana, who had abducted his wife Sita while they were in forest during their exile. Dashera is celebrated every year to remember the day when Rama had killed Ravana. So this is a story of good over evil, very famous Ramji story, and this was a short and sweet story for your understanding. Thank you so much for watching. Please let me know which festival is coming, which is celebrated as a birth of Ramji, and let me know where was Ramji born in the comments. Bye bye.